Push-ups are one of the best bodyweight exercises to strengthen the upper body if you do it right. But if you do it wrong, congratulations, you will lose your muscles for free, and you will injure yourself for no reason. And between us, you usually make one of these mistakes, at least. Let's count them together. The first mistake, looking up. Hey hero, the exercise is not in the ceiling. Raising your neck is close to the point of the pectoralis major, and it tightens your neck muscles without any benefit. The solution is to focus on a point in the ground in front of you and look at it, as if you are in a challenge. Who will throw first? The second mistake, the two elbows are open like a letter T. You are not a plane. If you open your elbows at an angle of 90 degrees, you put your shoulder in a dangerous position. The right thing to do is to join them at an angle of 45 degrees with your body, and you will look from above, like an arrow pointing to the target. The third mistake, lowering the pelvis. The ground is not a bed. Powered by UpFit. The right thing to do is to tighten your abdomen and press on the latissimus dorsi, and keep your body straight from the head to the knee. The fourth mistake, shoulders forward. If you put your shoulders forward, as if you are giving your chest muscles a vacation, at that time, all the load falls on the small muscles quickly getting tired. It is better to put your shoulders back and tighten your whole body during the exercise. The fifth mistake, the vertical movement only. Powered by UpFit. If you go down and up straight, you will lose the most important benefit. The solution is that when you go up, you push a little forward, as if you are pushing the ground away from you, and it feels like you are saying to the ground, come on, stay away from me a little. This way, your push-ups will be correct. And now press here to know the 5 mistakes that make your exercise in the gym without a result, and learn how to fix it before your fatigue goes away. If you feel that the video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's grow together, and your body is the first one to thank you.